Good morning class 10th and welcome back to the online videos. Today in chapter number 4, what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is carbon and its compound. In carbon and its compound, till now we have studied about the organic compounds, and in organic compound we have started the hydrocarbons, and as well as in hydrocarbons we have discussed about saturated as well as unsaturated hydrocarbons, and the example of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkane, alkene and alkynes, we have studied about that. Now today we are going to start alkyl group. Today we are going to start alkyl group. What are alkyl groups? What are alkyl group, or what is by alkyl group? What is by alkyl group? When a hydrogen is removed or when a hydrogen is replaced from a saturated hydrocarbon, the new group formed is known as alkyl group. What are alkyl group? When a hydrogen is removed, when a hydrogen is removed from a saturated hydrocarbon, or that is alkenes, then the new group formed, is known as alkyl group. Is known as alkyl group. So what do you mean by alkyl group? When a hydrogen is replaced or removed from a chain of saturated hydrocarbon, that is saturated hydro, the example of saturated hydrocarbons are alkenes. When a hydrogen is removed from a chain of alkene, the new group formed is known as alkyl group. The new group form is called alkyl group. Now we are going to see the examples of alkyl group, what are alkyl group and how it is formed. First of all, write the definition from the blackboard. Thereafter we discuss about the alkyl group. Please note down the definition of alkyl group from the blackboard. Thereafter we start the different alkyl groups or how alkyl groups are formed. Now, till now you have reading the definition from the blackboard. Now we are going to see the alkyl group and how the alkyl group is formed. Now, first of all, alkenes. Alkenes are the examples of saturated hydrocarbon. What are the different member of alkenes? The different member of alkenes are methane, and the formula of methane is CH4. Second member is ethane, and the formula of ethane is C2H6. Propene, C3H8, butane, C4H10, like that. So these are the members of alkenes. These are the members of alkene. Now what happens when a hydrogen is removed? When a hydrogen is removed from a saturated hydrocarbon, the new group formed is alkyl group. For example, when a hydrogen is removed from CH4, it becomes CH3. And when a hydrogen is removed from C2H6, it becomes C2H5. When a hydrogen is removed from C3H8, that is propene, it becomes C3H7. And when a hydrogen is removed from C4H10, it becomes C4H9. Now these new group form are known as alkyl group. Now these new groups are called alkyl group. What is the name? According to the IPSC nomenclature, what is the name and how can we write the name of this alkyl group? We know that the first member of alkyl group containing the one carbon atom. For one carbon atom, we write the word meth. And it belongs to the member of alkyl group. Therefore, we add the suffix YL with the main carbon chain. And when we add YL, it becomes methyl. So therefore, the first member of alkyl group is methyl. Like that, for two carbon atoms, we use the word eth. By adding the suffix YL, it becomes ethyl. For three members, we use the word prop, and by adding the suffix YL, becomes propyl. And for four carbon atoms, we use the word bu. By adding the suffix YL, it becomes butyl. For 5 members, it becomes pentyl. For 6 members, it becomes hexyl, like that. So what are alkyl group? When a hydrogen is removed from a saturated hydrocarbon, or when a hydrogen is replaced from a saturated hydrocarbon, then the new group form is called methyl group. Then that new group is called alkyl group. So these are the members of alkyl group. What is the general formula of alkyl group? Like alkene, alkenes and alkynes, alkyl group are also having the general formula, and the general formula of alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1 . What is the general formula of alkyl group? The general formula of alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1, where n is your natural number. Where n is natural number. So that is your alkyl group. When a hydrogen is removed from a saturated hydrocarbon, the new group form is known as alkyl group. Now I thought that you are able to understand what are alkyl groups. Now from alkyl groups, we move toward the nomenclature of branch hydrocarbons. Now we are going to see how the nomenclature of branch hydrocarbon takes place. The nomenclature of any organic compound. The nomenclature of any organic compound is done by an organization called IUPAC, known as IUPAC. IPAC is an organization which assigns the name to each and every organic compound. Because we know that from place to place, the name of a substance is going to be changed. So therefore, we required a name which is quite universal in the world, which is common to the world. Therefore, IPSC assigned the name to the organic compound by which that organic compound is found in the whole world or any part on the earth. यानी आईपीएससी नॉमेनक्लेचर के द्वारा जो नाम दिया जाता है उस नाम से हम उस कंपाउंड को दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में खोज सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर लोकल नेम रहेगा तो वह प्लेस टू प्लेस क्या हो जाएगा, बदल जाएगा और दूसरी जगह पर वह चीजें हमें खोजने से मिलेंगी नहीं। तो देयरफॉर वी रिक्वायर्ड व्हाट द नेम व्हिच इज वैलिड एट each and every place or at each and every place on earth. Now, where is the headquarter of this organization? IUPAC. The headquarter of IUPAC is in USA. Is in USA, that is United States of America. What is the full form of IPSC? The full form of IPSC is International Union of Pure and Applied International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. And where is the headquarters? Headquarter of IPSC is in USA. Just remember that. Now, how we just do the IPSC nomenclature? There are some rules by which we can assign or we can write the name of any organic compound. We have already discussed about how the nomenclature is done for the straight carbon chain. Now today we are going to study about how the nomenclature of the branch hydrocarbon takes place, and thereafter how the nomenclature of IPSC hydrocarbon takes place. Cyclic hydrocarbons. After the branch hydrocarbons, we are going to see how the nomenclature is done for cyclic hydrocarbon. Nomenclature of branched hydrocarbons.